In our previous video, we talked about how to configure your WordPress admin dashboard, how to create your database and link it with your WordPress, and how to install your XAMPP. Now, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can create pages, how you can create menu and assign them to a navigation bar. So if you know you've missed out from the first video on how to configure your WordPress admin environment, please scroll down our videos and watch the video on how to configure your WordPress admin dashboard, how to install your XAMPP folder. Without that very video, you won't be able to achieve what you're about to do right now. But if you know you've done that, you've installed and configured your admin, congratulations. So let's just go straight to the point and let's start. So first thing you need to do is start your Apache and MySQL. Remember, before you do anything, you must start your Apache and MySQL. Is that okay? Then once you are done, now go to those folders, those files that I sent on the Telegram group chat. I sent these very files on the Telegram group chat. The first one you are going to do, copy this hello Elementor. Copy this hello Elementor. In fact, copy everything here apart from the WordPress. Copy everything apart from the WordPress. Come to your local disk, come to your XAMPP, then come to your htdoc. Now remember, we gave our folder a name and the name we use is tutorial. Open the tutorial, then you will see WP content. Open the WP content. Now on theme, on plugin, open plugin and paste everything here like this. Now if you paste everything here like this hello Elementor is a theme, not plugin. Cut it, Ctrl X, cut it, click back, come back to where you see theme, paste it here on this very thing like this. Then once you are done, right click and extract. Is that okay? Right click and extract. Some of you that say you don't know how to extract, go and download WinRAR on Google. Right click and extract like this. So once you extract, delete this zip file. Delete the zip file. Then make sure this hello Elementor, open it and cut this one that is inside. Ctrl X and come and paste it outside. Once you paste it outside, delete this very one. Is that okay? Now we are going to do the same thing to plugins. I'll just right click, I'll extract, I'll do the same thing to Elementor, extract, I'll do the same thing to Elementor Pro, then I'll extract. Now having done this, I'm going to delete the zip files. I'll just delete it because I don't need it. Then I'll open this classic editor. Remember, there is another folder inside. I'll cut it, I'll come back, I'll paste it here. I'll come to Elementor, there's a folder inside. I'll cut it, I'll come back, I'll paste it here. Then I'll come to Elementor Pro, I'll repeat the same thing. I'll cut it, I'll come back, and I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to delete these very ones that I don't need. I'll delete them like this. That is step one. Now we have uploaded our theme, we have uploaded our plugin. Go back to your browser, then go to a tab and type localhost / now remember the name of your folder. My folder is tutorial. Now we want to log in /wp-admin. Remember, I said if you want to log into your admin, this is how you log into your admin. wp-admin. Remember, our username is admin, our password is admin. Then I'm going to hit enter. Now this is my dashboard. Remember our dashboard here. So the first thing we need to do is to activate our theme and our plugin. So I'll hover on appearance, I'll click on theme. Remember, we've uploaded our theme, which is hello Elementor, but we've not activated it. All I need to do is click on activate. Now after activating, it will tell you need Elementor. Don't worry, come back to plugin, click on installed plugin. Once you click on install plugin, delete this Akismet, delete it, then come and delete this hello dolly, then click on this very plugin here, click on this one and click on bulk action and click on activate. and click on apply. Is that okay? So that we can activate this 3 plugin. Now we have activated this 3 plugin. Is that okay? So the next thing to do is let's go and create our pages. Remember on our Telegram, I said we are going to create home, about, services, and under services we are going to have a drop down of baking, event management, catering. Then we have gallery, blog. Is that okay? So now what we are going to do here, we are going to click on pages. We are going to click on all pages. The first thing we need to do is click on our pages. Is that okay? After clicking on pages, you are going to see these 2 default page. Highlight this and move to trash. We don't need this very 2 default page. Highlight and move to trash. Is that okay? So we want to create our own personal page. We want to create our own personal page. Now immediately we are here, we want to click on add new page. Click on add new page. Now we are going to create every page that I just highlighted on the group. So once we are here, we want to type home. Right home, come down to this place. You see where the right template. Click on Elementor full width and click on publish. We've done for home. Then you are going to do the same thing for about, services. I'll click about, I'll type about, come here, Elementor full width, then publish. So let me just pause this video and I'll do the rest and I'll come back. Alright, we are done creating everything. So all you need to do is come click on this all pages so that you see all the pages we have created. Have you seen it? So after creating your page, the next thing is to make our home page the default landing page. All you need to do is come to setting and click on reading. Come to setting and click on reading. Click on a static page and choose home. So meaning any page you choose here is going to be your home page. It's going to be your landing page. It's going to be the first page people will see once they visit your site. Is that okay? So now that we are done with this, right click on this place and they open the link on a new tab. Once you open the link on the new tab, you'll see your website should be blank like this. Is that okay? So now that we've created a page, now that we've created pages, let's go and create our menu list. Hover on appearance and click on menus. Now if you are creating menu for the first time, you need to give it a menu name. Just make your own main menu. Do not tick anything here. Click on create menu. Now after creating menu, look at this place, we have pages. These are where our pages are. Just click on select all and add to menu. Now after adding to menu, make sure you arrange the menu accordingly. After home page, we have our services. Just click like this and drag. It's not add, click and drag. Now under services, click on this basic and drag like this. The next one is catering, drag and put it in after baking. Then the next one is event management. So meaning this 3 menu is a drop down under services. Then we have our gallery. Gallery should be in this format, our blog and contact. Is that okay? So all you need to do is click on save. Save this menu. Now we've created our menu listing. Now once you are done, come and click on templates here and click on add new. So the next thing we want to do, we want to create our header. Now click on this select template and choose header. Is that okay? Click on create template. We want to build everything from scratch. Like I told you, I am teaching you everything from scratch. Now once you click this, the next thing, you wait for the environment to open for you. Then close this. By your left hand are your elements. We call them elements. So anything you drag here, the property is going to appear. So all you need to do is click on this plus sign and choose these 3 structure here. We call them structure. Then they have their inner section. Then make sure you click this and drag to this place because we'll use here as our logo and we use the middle as our menu. Then as you click this, you see that the elements are out. This first element is your HTML, this second element is your CSS, and this third element is your JavaScript. This middle one is used to style your work. So from this place, let us give it a background color. So click on this place, come to this style. You see under background, you can use text color, you can use gradient, 2 color, you can use video, you can use slider. Is that okay? I will teach you how to use all this later. Click on this very first one, classic, and choose a specific color. So let me just use this let me use this green. I love this green. Then we are done with that. Then come to this plus button here and type heading. Just type heading. Just drag it and put here. Like I told you, that very place we are supposed to put a logo there. So just type logo. It means you have to put a logo there. Click on the style. Now, under text color, click on this text color and drag it to where you see white. Under typography, this is where you can change the text character and the text size. So from this place, click here and type the word enter. I love using enter for my title. Then you can increase your logo to be bold like this. So this middle place, let's add our menu bar. So type the word nav. Just WordPress nav here, drag it and drop it here. Remember, we created that our nav is going to appear here. Look at it here, menu. Do you still remember this? So what we need to do, we need to style it. Just click on it, come to style. First thing, let's remove this other line. I don't like this other line. You see pointer, make it none so that this underline can disappear. You see it has disappeared. Now let's change our color to white, our text color. Click on it, come to style. Then you see under text color, take it up to where you see white. Now let's change our typography. Let's come to family, font family. Let's type enter, which is this, and let's decrease the font size to like 14. Yeah, this is perfect. Now this very place, let's put a button. Just type the word button. Just drag it and come and drop it here, and you can call it book now or book session. Is that okay? Then this place is where you put the link that this place will redirect people to if they click it. Is that okay? Now click on style. Let us style it. The background type, I don't like green. Let's make the background color white. If the background color is white, then the text color is supposed to be black. Is that okay? Now if they hover, I want the color to change. If they hover, I want the color to change. Upon hovering, let the color be black, let the text color be white. Then let's give it an animation. Scroll down to where you see hover animation. I want it to grow something like this. You see it? Now on our menu here, if you hover, you see it has a green color. I don't want green. Click on this very place on main menu. Yeah, see where you see over, see the gray color. Just change it to maybe black. Are you seeing it? If black is too dark, just take it to like gray, something like this. This is perfect. Then all you need to do before you publish it, you need to give it an if statement. Now in programming, there's what we call condition statement. You understand? So click on this publish. Now if we ask you where do you want to display your template, we want this edit to be displayed on every page we want to be building. We don't want to be building our header one by one. No, we want to build one and assign it to all pages. So add a condition statement and leave it as entire site. Once you leave it at entire site, click on save and close. So meaning this heading has been assigned to all the pages. All you need to do is click on this very icon here, this eye icon, to view your work. Is that okay? So if you click on home now, you see that your home is going to display something like this. Is that okay? So this is how you create your navigation bar. This is what we call navigation bar. I hope this is very simple. It is very simple. Now the Elementor Pro that I used, the Elementor that I use is outdated. Please, I want you to download a new Elementor, and I'm going to send you an Elementor Pro you are going to use. Is that okay? Because I later used another Elementor Pro version 17.1. The one we use is version 15. So if you're having issues, please download the Elementor Pro I will be sending now. Welcome back. I believe by now you must have known how to create pages, how to create menu and assign them to the navigation bar. So if you don't want to miss out from the next video, please, all you need to do is smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, like this video, share this video to people on Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, so that they'll benefit from this very class. Go to the comment section, ask your question, and please do your assignment. It is very important. Do your assignment. I'll see you in the next video.